Are you looking for the best oven cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best oven cleaners that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bryant Industries Grill Cleaning Spray. This cleaning product is actually effective for cleaning ovens, smokers, and microwaves in addition to grills. It provides an easy and safe cleaning experience at all times, which is very important when dealing with surfaces that regularly come into contact with food. Other reassuring features on this cleaner include its non-toxic, non-corrosive, and non-flammable benefits that make it much safer to use. It is also free from phosphate, and it comes with a citrus-based degreaser that makes it both safe and powerful as an oven cleaner. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Carbona 322-in-1 Oven Rack and Barbecue Cleaner. Because of its dual abilities, this cleaner can be used when cleaning ovens as well as barbecue grills. The cleaner can even be used on stainless steel and enamel surfaces. Using this cleaner is also pretty easy, even when there are substantial messes to deal with during the cleaning process. The cleaner is also innovatively designed to ensure that it is effective regardless of whether the oven is cold or warm. The 2-in-1 Oven Rack and Grill Cleaner is a safe and effective way to clean your oven racks and new barbecue grill grates, stainless steel and enamel. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Bag the racks, pour solution into the bag, wait, and rinse. It makes a messy chore easy. This unique and innovative product saves energy. No turning on the oven or grill to get rid of dirt. Includes cleaning fluid, rack cleaning bag, and disposable gloves. 500 milliliters. At number 3, we have the Zep Commercial Enforcer Heavy Duty Oven and Grill Cleaner. Because this is a heavy-duty oven cleaner, it is capable of cleaning results that few other alternatives in the market could ever hope to match. All tough stains will be easily cleaned off with this product, regardless of whether they are baked in or not. The cleaner is based on aerosol, and the compound's impressive effect on dirt is able to demonstrate just how powerful the Zep Commercial Enforcer is. The fact is that this is also a grill cleaner as well, which makes it a convenient purchase for people who need to keep both their ovens and grills clean without having to buy 2 cleaners. The cleaner should even help get rid of grime and dirt that other cleaners have been leaving behind. At number 2, we have the EasyOff Professional Oven and Grill Cleaner. People in need of quick cleaning jobs have a lot to gain by buying this particular oven cleaner. It can do spot cleans in just 5 minutes, and this will work on ovens as well as barbecue grills and broilers. Even when the stains are quite tough and strongly burned into the appliances, this cleaner will deliver great results in record time. Wow! This unique fume-free oven cleaner releases absolutely no caustic fumes and never requires protective gloves. EasyOff Fume-Free removes tough oven grease and spills in just 30 seconds, working effectively as both a heavy-duty oven cleaner and as a light everyday kitchen cleaner. EasyOff Fume-Free Oven Cleaner is ideal for all ovens, broilers, grill racks, oven doors, broiler pans, and even most stainless steel surfaces. And finally, at number 1, we have the EasyOff Professional Fume-Free Max Oven Cleaner. Even when hard at work eliminating the toughest of oven stains, this cleaner will not produce any fumes. The product is able to do this because it has what the manufacturer calls advanced cold oven technology that ensures that it can penetrate difficult oven grease even when the oven has cooled off. And yet the cleaning formula itself is quite safe. It is not even necessary to wear gloves when using it, which contributes plenty to its reliability. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.